Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Until You Get. Today we are going to discuss the most important 30 static GK questions asked in various competitive exams. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to see my upcoming videos. Let's move on to the questions. Rusting of iron is a dash. Physical change, chemical change, biochemical change or electrochemical change. The answer is option number B, chemical change. Penicillin is a dash. The answer is penicillin is an antibiotic and was discovered by Alexander Fleming. The male and the female gene in the flower are called ova and dash. Zygote, pollen, pupa or sperms. The answer is option number B, pollen. Dash is the fundamental particles that constitute an atom or other than the proton and electron. The answer is neutron. Dash is not a compound. The answer is option number A, air. Where was the first round table summit was held? It is held in London. Which country is the most populated country in the world? That we all know that China is the most populated country in the world. Vijaygarh is located in which state? It is located in Delhi. Memorial of Lal Bahadur Shastri. In 1971, War of Liberation of Bangladesh was fought between which two countries? The answer is India and Pakistan. Who was the first man to set foot on moon? The answer is option number C, Neil Armstrong from USA. Who was the inventor of electricity? The answer is option number D, Benjamin Franklin. The strength of Lok Sabha. The answer is 545. The Melghat Tiger Reserve is in. The answer is Maharashtra. In which year did the first atomic bomb explosion take place? It was take place in the year of 1945. Sipai Mangal Pandey was a part of which battalion? And the answer is 34th Bengal Native Infantry. Which of the following is the good conductor of heat and electricity? Graphite, diamond, gold or silver? And the answer is option number A, graphite. In 18th century, India witnessed the decline of which port town? Surat, Kolkata, Madras or Bombay? The answer is option number A, Surat. The resistance of our body to the distance is called. The answer is option number A, immunity. Buoyancy of a body depends on. It depends on the mass of a liquid displaced by the body. When pH of the rainwater is less than 7, dash it is called as acid rain. The answer is option number C, 5. How much decibels of the sound is painful for human ears? And the answer is option number C, 180. The pulse rate of the newborn babies is dash per minute. And the answer is option number C, 120 to 160 per minute. Which Indian city is known as City of Joy? The answer is option number D, Bombay. Fossil fuel are made from? The answer is option number D, decomposing of plants and animals. Metals are good conductor of electricity because? The answer is they contain the free of electron. The distance between the nearest particle of a medium in the same phase is called? The answer is wavelength. In a neutral atom, the number of electrons are equal to the number of? The answer is proton. A person suffering from astigmatism is not capable to lose? The answer is option number C, clear vision. Who started the Bhudan movement? And it was started by Vinoba Bhave. Which of the following is the capital of Lakshadweep? The answer is option number B. In state legislative assembly, the money bill is presented with whose prior permission? The answer is state governor. Which is the first linguistic state of India? The answer is option number B, Andhra Pradesh. If you like this video, please kindly share to your friends and give your valuable feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.